Okay, my name is Larkin, and my son and I are going to unbox this KODAK PixPro AZ528. Just bought this brand new today, and it was my birthday present. Okay, let's see what we have here.
It was an early one.
Okay, we have, it says stop, do not return product before contacting JK Imaging Limited. Okay, the warranty card, and this is some small manual. Okay, let's put this over here, and we have a nice little lens cap. Okay, and what do you think this is?
I think it's one of those things that you like put on your shoulder for you to like hold the case.
So that'd be a shoulder strap.
Yeah, shoulder strap.
There you go. Okay, and here we have USB cable for charging. And this is just a little cord for attaching the lens cap to the camera so you don't lose it. This is the AC adapter for plugging the USB cord into. And this is the type of battery that it uses. Let's see if we can find another one. So if we have at least a backup battery when we try to take pictures or something.
There might be one under the camera, who knows?
Okay. Now let's just remove the camera, and we'll set the box aside. Okay. And it's the KODAK PixPro AZ528. Has a left and right stereo voice recording. You can attach it to Wi-Fi, and has a 52 zoom lens, which is pretty impressive. And I understand you can also attach a standard 52mm lens cover for protecting the lens. Has a 3-inch LCD screen, and a lot of things for me to play with and see what it can do. And okay, so there we have it. This is just a simple unboxing version, and we will do in a review later on as we get to use the camera. So I'll leave it to my cameraman, and we'll sign off for now. Thank you for watching.